Final product. Final product. Thin sliced pork marinating with all the seasoning and browning. Soon get ready to cook. I'm gonna leave it for a couple minutes for it to soak with the season. Then I'm gonna cook it, okay? Stay tuned. So I'm adding the pork to the oil because I'm gonna brown it first before cooking it. So I'm adding it to the oil now for it to brown. See? To turn them around, flip them so that they can brown on both sides. Yes. You keep doing that until the meat is well brown. So that when it cooks, it's not white. Okay. Now we're adding some hot water to the meat so that it can be tenderized, cooked, soft. Okay. So instead of adding cold water, you will just add some hot water. That will help the meat to tenderize quicker than the cold water. Okay. While it is cooking, we'll flip them so that they can cook on both sides. Flip them, yes. This pork is so easy to cook, so I have my seasoning that I'm gonna be adding: scallion, garlic, pepper, thyme, onion. Yeah, I'm gonna add these to the pot so that the meat will cook with the seasoning, because I use the powdered seasoning to marinate, and now I'm adding the seasoning to get the flavor. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna add a bit more water, cover it, and let it go along slow. Alright, so guys, this takes no time to cook. So guys, this takes no time to cook. It's so easy to cook. And when I use water to add to it, I use hot water so that it can be tenderized early and quickly. Alright, no cold water. Alright, so in no time my slim pork chops will be ready. Alright. slice, guys. Yes. It's so yummy already. And it's not done. Okay. So easy to cook, guys. You can try it out. Alright. And there you have it, all done. Look how juicy that looks. Look how delicious that looks, guys. You don't want to smell the kitchen, but you want to taste the meat, okay? It is so tender, it's so nice and so juicy. Okay, so go ahead and try this video. You will love it. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for sharing.